I recently attended the ProThought PMP training by Saurabh Parikh, batch May 25. It was an outstanding experience. I sort of made sure that all the learnings came from based on experience and expertise that he has gained for the past years in this field. The best thing about it, the entire training was his depth of knowledge and ensuring that no question was left unanswered, ensuring that everybody is able to grasp the topic correctly and be well prepared for the PMP exam. I highly recommend ProThought, and thank you so much for imparting that training to us.